Hello, my friends. Hello, my seekers of peace. And welcome back to your quiet corner of the internet. Welcome back to Let's Shuō English. Look around you. The world is very loud today. Everyone is running. Everyone is shouting. Everyone wants more, more, more. But you are here. You stopped running. You chose to sit down with me. You chose to listen. And that tells me something wonderful about you. It tells me you are looking for a better way. Today, we are going to leave the noise behind. We are going to travel east to the land of the rising sun, Japan. Japan is a special place. It is modern, yes, but underneath the neon lights, there is ancient wisdom. There are habits that have existed for thousands of years, habits that bring health, habits that bring happiness, habits that bring peace. We are going to learn 7 Japanese habits. These are not just words, they are secrets for a good life. Before we start our journey, I want to know my travel companions. Where are you right now? Are you watching the rain in London? Are you drinking tea in a high-rise in Hong Kong? Are you sitting on a porch in the United States? Or are you resting after work in Dubai? Please, tell me in the comments. I love to imagine you. I love to know that we are all connected all over the world. Now, take a deep breath. Smell the cherry blossoms and let it out. Let go of your stress. Are you ready to learn the way of peace? Let's Shuō English. Habit 1, Mottainai, the art of gratitude. Let's start with a beautiful word, Mottainai. Have you ever thrown away food? Have you ever bought something, used it once, and forgotten it? In the West, we call this waste. In Japan, they call it mottainai. But mottainai is deeper than just waste. It is a feeling. It is a feeling of sadness when something is not used. It is a feeling of respect for objects. Imagine a simple grain of rice. A farmer worked hard to grow it. The sun gave it energy. The rain gave it water. If you leave that grain of rice in your bowl, you are wasting all that effort. That is mottainai. How can we use this habit? We can learn to respect what we have. We can stop buying things we do not need. We can fix old things instead of throwing them away. When you respect your things, you feel richer. You realize you already have enough. Let's practice some thoughts about mottainai. Listen and speak gently. I respect what I have. Your turn. I do not waste food. Your turn. I am grateful for this meal. Your turn. I have enough. Your turn. Habit 2. Kintsugi, golden repair. Now, imagine a beautiful teacup. It falls on the floor. Crash. It breaks into pieces. What do? Do you throw it in the trash? Do you say, "It is broken, it is useless"? In Japan, there is an art called Kintsugi. They take the broken pieces and they glue them back together, but they do not use clear glue. They use gold. Yes, gold. Now the cracks are golden. The cup is more beautiful because it was broken. The scars are part of its history. This is a powerful lesson for us. We all have scars. We all make mistakes. Maybe you made a mistake in English yesterday. Maybe you failed a test. Maybe you lost a job. Do not hide your cracks. Do not be ashamed. Paint them with gold. Learn from them. Your mistakes make you unique. Your mistakes make you strong. You are not broken. You are Kintsugi. Let's practice this mindset. My mistakes teach me. Your turn. I am not afraid to fail. Your turn. My scars are beautiful. Your turn. I am stronger now. Your turn. Habit 3. Hara Hachi Bu, the 80% rule. Now let's talk about health. Japan has the oldest people in the world. Why? Do they run marathons every day? No. Do they eat only salad? No. They practice Hara Hachi Bu. This means eat until you are 80% full. In many countries, we eat until we are 100% full. We eat until we cannot move. We unbutton our pants. We say, "Oh, I ate too much." This makes us tired. This makes our body work too hard. The Japanese stop before they are full. They leave a little space in the stomach. This gives them energy. They do not feel heavy after lunch. They feel light. You can use this in life, too. Do not work until you are 100% exhausted. Stop at 80%. Save some energy for tomorrow. Do not fill your schedule 100%. Leave some space for rest. Leave some space for magic. Let's practice sentences about balance. I listen to my body. Your turn. I stop before I am full. Your turn. I keep my energy. Your turn. Balance is healthy. Your turn. Habit 4. Gaman, the art of endurance. Life is not always easy. Sometimes it rains. Sometimes the train is late. Sometimes people are rude. Sometimes learning English feels impossible. When life is hard, what do you do? Do you complain? Do you shout? Do you quit? The Japanese practice Gaman. This translates to endurance or patience. But it is more than just waiting. It means enduring the unbearable with patience and dignity. It means you stay strong. You do not complain about things you cannot fix. If it is raining, you use an umbrella. You do not yell at the sky. Gaman is quiet strength. It is the tree that bends in the wind, but does not break. When you learn English, you need Gaman. It will take time. You will feel frustrated. But you keep going. You endure. And one day, the storm will pass, and you will be fluent. Let's practice resilience. I am patient. Your turn. I can handle hard things. Your turn. I do not complain. Your turn. I keep moving forward. Your turn. Habit 5. Kanso, simplicity. Look at a Japanese room. What do you see? Is it full of boxes? Is it full of colorful plastic toys? Is it messy? No, it is usually empty. It is simple. there is maybe one flower, one table. This is Kanso, simplicity. The world tells us, buy more, do more, watch more. Kanso tells us, less is more. When you remove the clutter, you can see the truth. When you remove the noise, you can hear your thoughts. Think about your English study. Do you have 10 different textbooks? Do you subscribe to 50 YouTube channels? That is not Kanso. That is chaos. Choose one book. Choose one teacher. Maybe me. Keep it simple. Focus on what matters. A simple life is a peaceful life. Let's practice simplicity sentences. Simple is beautiful. Your turn. I do not need clutter. Your turn. I focus on one thing. Your turn. I choose peace. Your turn. Habit 6. Shogunai. Letting go. This is my favorite habit. It saves my heart every day. Shogunai. It means it cannot be helped, or it is what it is. We worry so much. We worry about the past. Why did I say that? Why did I make that mistake? We worry about the future. What if I fail? What if it rains? Shogunai teaches us to accept reality. If you spill your coffee, shogunai, clean it up. If you miss the bus, shogunai, wait for the next one. If you cannot change it, do not worry about it. Worrying does not fix the problem. It only steals your happiness. Shogunai is the key to freedom. It releases the heavy weight from your shoulders. Let's practice letting go. I accept what I cannot change. Your turn. I let go of worry. Your turn. It is what it is. Your turn. My mind is free. Your turn. Habit 7. Kaizen. 1% better. We end with the most famous habit, Kaizen, continuous improvement. We talked about this before, but it is so important we must remember it. Kaizen is the enemy of laziness. Western culture loves the big jump, overnight success, winning the lottery, becoming fluent in 3 months. Japanese culture loves the small step, improving 1% every day. Imagine you want to climb a mountain. If you look at the top, you feel scared. It is too high. But if you look at your feet and you take 1 step, that is easy. Then another step, then another. Kaizen says, do not try to be perfect today. Just be a little bit better than yesterday. Learn 1 word. Listen to 1 minute of English. Small steps lead to big places. Let's practice progress sentences. I am better than yesterday. Your turn. Small steps are powerful. Your turn. I keep growing. Your turn. I trust the process. Your turn. Vocabulary review. We have traveled deep into the Japanese soul. Let's review these 7 beautiful words. I will say the word, then you say it. Feel the meaning. 1. Mottainai. Don't waste. be grateful. Say it, Mottainai. 2. Kintsugi, golden repair, embrace flaws. Say it, Kintsugi. 3. Hara Hachi Bu, eat 80% full, moderation. Say it, Hara Hachi Bu. 4. Gaman, endurance, patience. Say it, Gaman. 5. Kanso, simplicity, less is more. Say it, Kanso. 6. Shōganai, let it go, accept it. Say it, Shōganai. 7. Kaizen, continuous improvement. Say it, Kaizen. Conclusion, your new life. Warmth. My dear friends, our journey is ending, but your practice is just beginning. You do not need to live in Tokyo to use these habits. You can use them in your home. Tonight, when you eat dinner, remember Hara Hachi Bu. Tomorrow, when you make a mistake, remember Kintsugi. When you feel stressed, whisper Shōganai. These habits are gifts. They are tools for a happy life, and a happy brain learns English faster. Thank you for walking with me today. Thank you for opening your mind to new cultures. You are becoming a citizen of the world. I am Gia. This is Let's Show English. Be simple, be patient, and be kind to yourself. See you in the next video. Goodbye.